22, Philippines! Hey. Okay. Okay. Finish? Philippines? You find that funny? The word Philippines? Philippines! Philippines! Francine, forward. 22, Philippines!
So much smiling.
Philippines! Oh, what's this? Philippines! What's this? Notice of disconnection. Your child is going to... Wait, what is this? 100 euro? I've seen 100 euro.
Where worden Sergeme im neuen Jahr das Geld für die Klassenfahrt, the field trip, 100 Euro in bar, von Ihnen einsammeln. Das Geld sollte bis zum March 1, 2019 bei uns abgegeben werden. Sollten Sie einen Booty-Antrag stellen wollen, wenden Sie sich bitte an Frau Heubach in der Schule. Herzliche Grüße, Frau Stromberg. P.S. Let Frank forward pay, not Frau Jessica. Ja, danke schön. Bitte, bitte, genau, richtig.
Jane,
What?
go down, Kayo, go.
Are you sure? What did you eat now? Poor guy.
Cheese,
Cheese? And you want me to make egg?
egg and bread, please.
Yeah? Frank, I have an answer for you. Frank, kapoy kayo ko. Hello guys, good morning. Kakauwi lang namin galing sa school ni Ate Ella. And here's Francine here. Wait, we are actually playing here. Here's Francine. Hello. Come on. Hello. Hello. You're crawling. She's crawling here. Here. Ilagay namin dyan. Come on, let's play. Here. Francine, look. Come, Mama. Come. Come here. Nasa edge na siya ng carpet. Come in here. Hello. 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 Say hello. Say hello, guys. I'm crawling. Come on, Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Roll over. Roll over. You're gonna fall. Come here. Come on, this side, this side, this side. Careful, slowly. Ah, gotcha. Here. Your ball. Here, your ball. You have Mama's hair on your hands. Hello, guys. I'm crawling, guys. Maayo na kasi siya mo libot-libot. Kamang-kamang. She's crawling. Crawling. Now she's put some toys here para mag-enjoy siya dyan. Para ma-practice siya. Yan. Ayun yung ang daming galat sa lamisa. Daming galat, guys. Yan area ko, guys. She's playing. What did you play? Hello. Hi, everybody. Hello, guys. Frank is making lechon belly. He's the man. Look. Chop. Chop. You hear that?
You see that?
You hear that? Crunchy. Crunchy.
Oi.
Oh. Come on.
Who's getting that?
No,
it's okay. No, ever. You.
Just slice first.
Wait a second.
Okay. Lechon, guys. Lechon kayo dyan. Just put it aside. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, see? You hear that? You hear that?
There's water inside, I think.
It's really crispy. Good job, Frank. Well, watery now. Hello, guys. Hello. Hello. We're gonna sleep now. Ate Ella there.
Look, what is this?
Yeah. We're going to sleep soon. No, the kids will sleep soon. Frank and I will still do the dishes. And we'll have some
jingle bell,
night
jingle.
together.
Tea.
What's that?
Tea
Tea
served
time.
to my
Thank you
beautiful
so
wife.
much. Oh, thank you so much. And Francine.
And she cannot have it.
Yeah, and I cannot have it. I put her down.
Is it Korea or China?
China has yellow stars in their flag, but Korea has a red star.
Yeah, right.
I don't know.
So tea time.
Tea time like Hello Kitty.
Say all good night. Good night. Bye bye and see you.
Good night.
See you next time.